so welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Mina, and for today's video we'll be doing this simple, elegant, everyday makeup look, in which this is actually me wearing this makeup every day. So I mean, except the lashes. I don't usually put lashes, I use my mascara. If you want to if you want to achieve this look, then keep on watching, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Alright, so I did put my L'Oreal moisturizer on already. I got this Wet n Wild primer serum, and it's the hydrating one, and I will go ahead and put this one on. This whole entire quarantine thing is driving me nuts. I want to, work, go to school, do something fun, entertaining. It's been really actually boring. Applying foundation once your primer kind of dries off a little bit, and I'm using the Bare Minerals, and what I like to do is dab a little on my hands, and my sponge I did wet it a little bit. Let's go ahead and put the foundation on now. Once you're done with your foundation, you want to set your foundation. I will be using the Wet n Wild translucent powder. Yeah, this is the one I will be using. Using this brush to apply my translucent powder. Now this translucent powder is it gives you like that matte finish look. I know some people don't like that, but I need this because I have oily based skin, so it helps me. So if you have a dry skin, I definitely will not recommend this. I will leave my translucent powder on for a little bit, but till I leave that on, let's go ahead and work on our eyeshadow. And this is by because it has I just got this from TJ Maxx yesterday. It is the Icon. Hope I don't break it. It's the Icon Pro by Absolute New York. I've never heard of this brand before, and this is my first time using it, so let's give it a try. This color right here, let's use that with this brush. Going with the Wet n Wild brush. Hello? This brush for under eye. I'm using the same color. powder. And let's go ahead and continue with our eyeshadow using this brush with this color next, with this one. Let's add this gold shimmery color on our lids. I'll go ahead and do my liquid liner and eyeliner, and I'll be back. As usual, I'll be using the Ardell black, and let's go ahead and put them on. Now for the eyebrows, I will be using this Tattoo Studio from Maybelline with this thin eyeliner brush. We'll go ahead and draw in our eyebrows, but before I do that, I will go ahead and just fill them in with this CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. Actually, let's put the Maybelline Tattoo Studio away for now. Let's do the contouring. Like contouring, I will be using this brush for my nose. Let's grab a little bit. I'll use this contouring brush. Just do my cheeks a little bit. Now let's go ahead and go back to our Maybelline Tattoo. I don't like to use the brush of this because it's so thick. I like to just use this thin brush and just grab some from the brush and just fill in my eyebrows with it. I don't remember where I got it from. This one. Just fill in my eyebrows. I mean, I will use the dark one on the outer corner. Damn, that's too much. And then using the light brown one I showed you guys. Usually use it just to fill in the front. Blush, I'll be using this. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll be using this blush. It says, isn't it peachy blush palette for a whatever. And we'll go with blush brush. And there's only 4 colors. I want to use this and mix it in with this too a little bit. And they're really good and pigmented, the color on this palette. You get that peachy, a little bit of pinky on my lips. All-time favorite Wet n Wild scent. And we're done. Yay! If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah.